Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cooking with Sindaco and I'm back again. But before we start, if today is your first time watching, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video drops. Today I'm preparing Ghana's #1 hustlers food, but also loved by rich people. This food is a great savior in society, trust me. In fact, this food costs almost 150 cedis in some hotels. Gari Soakings is the name. Simple food with simple apparatus. Yeah, it is. To prepare Gari Soakings, you need these basic and simple ingredients like gari, sugar, groundnut, and milk. You can also do Gari Soakings without milk. Most people use powdered milk to do Gari Soakings. They're mostly called nido in Ghana. You can get this ingredient from the Afro shop or the African market. Yeah, so starting our soakings, you take some gari and you have to be careful with the quantity that you take because gari expands, okay? Then you add a bit of sugar to it, not that much because you'll be adding milk to it. You can also do without sugar because you have milk, and milk also contains sugar in it. In fact, Africa really thank God for creating gari. Hey, this food, mamma mia. This food has really saved lives in Africa. So me being the testing officer one, I'll make sure that we hold it high esteem. In higher grounds, yeah. So now we add our granules to it, and the granule, it also depends. If you want more, you can put more. If you are not fan of peanuts, yeah, mostly called peanuts or granite, then you reduce it, but it doesn't change anything, yeah. So I'm stirring because I want the sugar and the granite to mix before the milk or the water comes. But you can choose not to stir. It doesn't change anything as well, yeah. So after you have stirred, you now add your milk to it before the water. I prefer to make it this way because this will prevent the gari from expanding fast. Normally when the water touches the gari, it begins to expand, but the water content in the milk is less, so it prevents the gari from expanding. So I prefer to add the milk first before the water comes. Yeah, and yeah, that's the basic thing, or that's the only reason to prevent it from expanding. Yeah, so that's it, we're almost done. So I'll now mix my gari with the milk, and I also add the water, a bit of water to it. Just remember that you can't use much water on the Gari Soakings because if you add more water at the end, you can't eat everything because you fill your belly with only water. What you say? Yeah, so a bit of water, a bit of milk or anything that you want, or Milo, something. Yeah, then yeah, so this is our Gari Soakings, and hope you like the video. The non-Ghanaians, please try this recipe and trust me, you will love it and you always go for it. This food is considered as lunch food, so one hot afternoon, just try it and believe me, but you're the rough. It's Banyan, this is #1 Ghanaian hustlers food, loved by rich people, and it's expensive at the hotels. So let's meet again. This is Cooking with Sindaco. Kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Let's meet again for shizzle, my nizzle.